Hello everyone, my name is Indraja Doma. Today we are here to talk about or learn about these organ systems. Include first one is skeletal system. Skeletal system is also known as osteology. That is, skeletal system is based on the structures of bones. Osteology it is a branch of science that deals with the study of the skeletal system and their functions and their structures. Skeletal system is composed of four steps. First one is bone, second one is cartilage, then joints and ligaments. Where the skeletal system's function is to support, then protection, movement, storage, and blood cell formation. Blood cell formation includes two blood cells, that is yellow bone marrow and red bone marrow. Red bone marrow consists blood cell production, then yellow bone marrow which includes lipid storage. Then classification based on the shape of skeletal system, which includes long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone, then sesamoid bone. The examples of these are long bone consisting hands and legs, then short bone, trapezoid and wrist bone. Flat bone, the example of flat bone is sternum, and irregular bone which is present in vertebral column, then sesamoid bone, that is kneecap. Where skeletal system is divided into two parts, two skeletal systems. First one is axial skeletal system, then appendicular skeletal system. Axial skeletal system, which is the central axis of the body, where skull bones, auditory ossicular, then hyoid bone, ribs, sternum are present. Then in the appendicular bone, appendiculars are the side by side bones of the skeletal system or human body, where it includes lower arm, lower limbs and upper limbs. Particularly in human, skeletal consists of 206 to 206 bones, but in children they are of 350 and 400 bones, where axial bones includes 80 bones. These are classified or divided into skull, facial bone, throat bone, ear ossicles, vertebral column, then rib cage. The 80 bones of axial bones are divided as this cranium has 8 bones, then facial bones have 14 bones, then throat bone includes 1 which is attached to the lung, attached to the tongue, then ear ossicles are 6, then vertebral column includes 26 bones, then rib cage of 24 bones. These are the 80 axial bones. Then appendicular skeletal bone are divided into pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, upper arm, lower arm, where pectoral girdle include 4 bones, then pelvic girdle of 2 bones, upper arm 60 and then lower limb 60, where these are the divisions of skeletal system. It includes bone cells, where types of bones. Bone cells is also called as osteogenesis, where bone cells are divided, or the types of bone cells are osteoblast, osteoclast, then osteocyst. Osteoblasts are the new cells or immature cells. Then osteoclasts are damaged or expired bone cells. Osteocysts, matured bone cells. Then bone tissue. Bone tissue includes two types of bones, where compact bone tissue, then spongy bone tissue. These compact bone tissue are consist of rigid structure, then spongy bones consist of soft structure. Then ossification. The bony tissue is also called as ossification. The process of turning into bone is called as ossification. Then cartilage. Then the joints. Joints are also known as arthrosis, where types of joints includes 3 parts. First one is fibrous, second one is cartilaginous, then synovial bone, synovial joint. First one is fibrous joint. It is completely immovable joint. Then cartilaginous are the slightly movable joints. Then synovial, which are freely movable. For example, shoulder, where synovial joints are consist of 6 types. First one, those are ball and socket joint, then gliding joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, saddle joint, then ellipsoid joint. Then the last part of skeletal system is composed of cartilage. Cartilage. The medical term chondro means the cartilage, the cells and chondrocytes. Types of cartilage includes hyaline, fibrous and elastic. Hyaline cartilage is present in nose, then fibrous cartilage is a intervertebral disc, then elastic cartilage is present in our ear. Thank you guys.